What's going on, guys? Coming to you live. I am fired up. We have tariffs. The reason why I'm excited is because I was able to do a last minute short. Let's go with the hunch. I had a hunch after hearing about Trump saying that he wants to have some big news about tariffs. In the description, it gave me all I needed. The article before the actual announcement says, "Hey guys, it's Donald Trump here. We're gonna get a lot of money out of China, a lot of money." So that was the clear indication that Buddy was about to go off. So, as I should do, like always, listen to the man, and have that, and listen to your intuition. Go ahead and put that short on the cash cow, Baba. So I was able to put a put strike for Baba at about 152.5, and I want to be in the money tomorrow, but don't stay there. The entire week, we should see strong sell volume days. I want to see red candles on price, red candles on the volume. I want to see it sky high, guys. Sky high. I'm going to get into BABA after I get the three indices first. So right now we have the triple Q, NASDAQ. We have fallen below the 20 EMA, the 20-day EMA, guys. We've had a strong sell volume day, just above the volume moving average, just above. We have that RSI on a sharp decline, guys. It was close. It was close. That MACD was close, trying to cross back over. But what we see here is that its histogram bar being a little bit longer than being on the positive side, so a little bit longer than negative. We have it straying away from the buy signal, now confirming that it is a sell signal. We have, again, the break out of the ascending channel. Let's see what I said. You have to have at least 2%, 3% to confirm bearishness. Let's see. We are right at a strong 1.6%, guys. 2.5%, 3%. That's what I'm looking for. 178. We ain't got to go full recession mode, but I want to see some fear and some capitulation. It's okay. It's healthy, guys. It's healthy. So we're out the ascending channel that started back in April. We are under the 20 EMA. That's a default setting for traders. So when we see, or traders are going to see see that, they're definitely wanting to sell this joint. Let's see where the 50 EMA is. Boom. 180.3. We might have buyers here. We might have tariff buyers here for a little relief rally. But this joint could get down. Gap down. 176. I'm excited, guys. This is my first time being excited about the downfall. So happy to know that I can profit off the up and the down. And this was an easy play. Little TA necessary on that bobble put, guys. So we may see some red days coming soon. We don't like red days, guys. We don't like red days. However, you gotta adapt. You gotta adapt to the current market situation. You gotta adapt to a unpredictable president, and you gotta profit off of the bull or the bear market. And that's how we do it, guys. That's how you do it. So I'm expecting at least get down to the 50 EMA tomorrow. And that 50 EMA price target is $180.40 for a potential bounce play. Current price, QQQ stock. Nope, this is, man, forget Yahoo. QQQ stock. Current price at $180.36. That, guys, is below the 50 EMA. If we are below the 50 EMA, we are going to lose it all. Real fear, real capitulation. Haven't seen the 100 EMA tested since May. We only like green days. If we've broken, at least after hours, we've broken the 50-day EMA. Let's see what happens at the 100 EMA. Ooh la la la. Because here's the thing, guys. China owns equities in America. They have the right to sell their entire positions to the market. There's always going to be the same amount of stocks, guys, but there's not always the same amount of buyers. When you have people who have been holding on to equities for quite some time able to cash out, oh man, let's see that 100-day EMA very soon. Let's see some dip buyers hit that 176.30. At first, I was thinking 178 would be a little play because we do have some bounce around here with these wicks right around here. So yeah, 178 first target, 176 second target, guys. If you were bull, let it fall, guys. Let your favorite long stocks fall, guys. Let's actually buy the dip the right way. Let's not buy falling knives. And it's okay to buy that swing rather than buy the exact bottom. We do have some bounce possibility at 40 resistance, the 40 RSI resistance. We do have a little, resistance right there, and then it acted as support in here in June. So, but I do want to see some fear and some capitulation so we can touch down on the 100-day EMA. Let the bankers, the strong ones, the Warren Buffett type of people load up right there with all their buy orders set and bounce back up after all this fades away. Let's go to the Dow. The Dow, one of the stronger holding ETF so far. What is the aftermarket price? Are they too strong to fall? Absolutely not. 260.25. Let's get this going. We are at the 20-day EMA. The 20-day EMA is 259, so it is still above the 20-day EMA. Still bullish as far as EMAs go, but we have that RSI on the decline. We have that MACD that was so close to turning into a buy signal starting to fall away. Now the sell volume is pretty good on this one. It's low, so not too worried about it because the Dow, I don't think those companies touch the China that much. You do have Apple and Amazon, or just Apple in the Dow that kind of really got hit heavy, but other than that, the Dow has been holding pretty steady. So if this really does play out, I feel like the grandfather companies are going to be your safe haven, guys. Your safe haven. We're still above the 20-day EMA. Much better looking chart as far as the triple Q goes, that NASDAQ, that heavily tech related index. We are still, I can redraw it. I have the capability of redrawing this rising wedge right here. We just draw lines and guess, guys. We draw lines and guess. But yeah, we're right around here for that aftermarket price. But when we see people selling their entire positions, possibly China selling their entire positions of GE, their entire positions of Triple M, we may see some dumpage. But, this is my first time seeing such an impactful set of news happen. I'm ready, guys. I am ready. I am a bear right now. I want to see it all. SPY, let's see that SPY aftermarket price. 288.31. 288.31, guys. That was my price target for that RSI correction that I believe that was going to happen. That sell volume, guys. That sell volume is above average. About 9 million shares above average, guys. We are seeing some strong selling. We are still above that 20 EM. Ooh, nope, never mind. We are right above it. We are 5 cents above the 20-day EMA currently. If you are a long on SPY, you want to see a bounce like it has before off this 20-day EMA. If you don't, you have to expect lower prices. We can be permables, we can only like green days, but if you don't readjust that stop loss, you may be in a rude awakening in tomorrow morning. I mean, we just have to. So it was very close to crossing over, fell away like the Dow, and this has had strong sell volume, RSI sharp decline. It could get ugly tomorrow. Tomorrow in the mornings lately in the markets, they have been flushing in the morning. Like that first hour, you can see a long red candle. So if you really want to play it, and if you're really advanced, you can try and buy that bottom on after that first hour. But guys, whew, tariffs. Like people are fearful. This has been a market where we buy when people are buying. When a lot of people are buying in the green, and a lot of people are selling in the red. You see this high sell volume, guys, because people are doing whatever the market is doing. No idea. Red means sell, green means buy. That's it. That's all we're seeing, guys. So just watch out for tomorrow morning. Make sure your stop losses are ready. If you're ready to liquidate, hey, more power to you. But the QQQ is really the most bearish right now. We are, let's see, one more time. We are below the 50-day EMA currently off of after the market price. We are still above the 20 EMA on the Dow, barely. And then the SPY just barely above the 20-day EMA, barely on after hours pricing. But as far as if it breaks, let's get that 50 EMA up there so you can just see a visualization. There's some gap. There's a little gap down, guys. 284.56 would be the 50-day EMA. Get your buy orders all up through 285, 284 if you're long on SPY and think that this is just going to blow over, guys. Be patient, be vigilant, buy the bottom, guys. Real quick, I'm not going to go long, but we have the China Hustle finessers. Absolutely savage. I'm so glad I watched that movie, The China Hustle. Shouts out to the person to put me onto that. We have selling going on. We started off at $6 flat for this IPO, not crypto. We've had a high of $14. Now down to $8.50. Let's see that aftermarket price. What's the price? $8.17, guys. $8.17. We may see a full retracement by tomorrow. Whew. I'm so glad I bought and sold. Look, I had flipped this bag. I had bought one. Felt like a G at $7.80. Sold at $10. Got my $2. Got to, cause with this one, I just heard a lot of people talking about it. Wanted to flip a little bag here and there just to see, and that was that. I couldn't do full all in on this. I did make my little mistake on PRNB, but this right here, guys, is savage. We have people in China having a reverse merge into the company to appear into the stock market, the U.S. stock market. And then that's just finesse. Just, pump this up. The stock twits said it all. Turn into a pump group. 13,000 followers out of nowhere. All fake. Hey, we're going to $20 this week. Ooh, we are far from it, guys. So be wary of these IPOs. QTT. What do we have here? Ooh. We have 41% drop. What is the aftermarket price on this, guys? Oh, not even showing. Let's see. After hours. Okay, we have a low of 930 and it's currently at 935. So a 6% drop over aftermarket. But we have here a full retracement. Guys, does that not scare you? A full retracement, peaked at $20, started at $9.50. Guys, are you all do you all see this? Started at $9.50, had someone buy the top at $20, and within days, or I think a day. We are at below IPO price. Absolutely crazy. Pure robbery. People don't know what happened. Their money is gone. That when oh man, I am actually angry, guys. This is horrendous. I don't even know what this was like because I had a choice between PRNB and QTT, and I chose PRNB. Took a small L. Glad I just didn't, have that many shares, but I was able to sell at 27. But the biggest play was me putting that money into a Baba put right before market close. There was a hunt. I ran to the computer, had to do my TA. All Baba was all under the moving averages. I'll show you all under the moving averages, and then it's gonna be the target. I know me and Donald Trump are shorting Baba together. I'm okay with this. This is where we actually unite. But with this PRNB, I did take a slight L. There was no volume today, guys, on BRNB. I was like, okay, I'd buy more, possibly. And this probably will go back up after all this is said and done. But the comparison in volume, you have 4 million shares traded the first day. Then you have 378,000 the second day. I've just never seen such a contrast. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if anyone's even talking about it. The stock Twix is completely dry. Nobody in their moms is talking about PRNB, but I will revisit them after we see better days. Baba. Man, when I say I am happy, guys, with this one, I am happy. Let's show y'all all these EMAs with these different indicators. So if you are a TradingView analyst, get some favorites, get some good favorites going. I'm going to show you Data Dash has 50, the 100, and the 200 all in one indicator. Then we have also, let's put that Stoke RSI for something new just to see. And switch that. Let's see that MACD. Yeah, guys, so the green is the 50, the red is the 100, and the gold is the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average, guys. Stoke RSI too complicated. I don't even know it myself. And then this is supposedly a death cross when you have that 50-day moving average cross below the 200-day moving average. You see strong selling from 182 all the way down to 150, 52. Dead cat bounce. And I've shorted right there. Guys, when I tell you I have a possibility to really come up off some short money. This is really exciting, guys. This is really exciting. Let's see where do we want to see this fall, guys? Right here? I don't see why not. Let's see that weekly. We do have, some hope. We do on that weekly 100 SMA. You did see a bounce off with strong volume, with strong buying volume, but this news wasn't here, guys. This news wasn't here. And on the weekly, you don't really see support here. You could say that this wick is resistance, but not, I'll say so. Let's say so. Let's say that this is a resistance / support because you did have a bounce here and then a bounce here. So we're kind of forcing that one, but that's a 148. I don't see why we shouldn't hit 148 tomorrow. If we break 148 with vengeance tomorrow with strong sell volume, on the weekly you have $118 as your next support level. Bulls, what are you doing? What are you doing? On the daily, we're under all the SMAs. That is crucial. This right here may be the short of all shorts. the shorts of all shorts. I want to see at least 3x in my portfolio. At least this was an all-in opportunity. Right now I'm young and I'm risky and I'm doing all-ins. And this right here may be that it may be the opportunity of a lifetime. We have Jack Ma leave the company. We have Donald Trump tariffs next week live. Then you have year's end if they continue to be stubborn, tariffs up to 25%, guys. 25%. I'm ready. I'm ready to see some fear. I'm ready to see some capitulation. So right here, there was a gap up, and some say all gaps must fill. Maybe the Bulls might get punished for trying to gap up without having that gap fill. Right there, that's 126. That's 126. This is still above that 200 SMA. If that 100 SMA breaks, guys, when I say I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm holding on to my put. I'm not selling it on the first day off of off of the hypeness. I want to see the continuation because it's possible. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sell days. I mean, sell weeks. This is the weekly, guys. It's possible for us to have 2 more weeks of sales. And I'm ready, guys. So y'all be careful. Find some potential plays to put. I'll do some quick analysis on this TTD just to bless y'all if y'all looking to put. What kind of chart is this? I mean, for real, guys, there's no support. This is some, not rigged, but it's just one of those charts that just goes up with no sort of support. For real. That's when I used to not know that there was a horizontal line button, but now I know. Right there. That's 123. That is a $20 drop from what it is right now. Scary times, guys. Scary times. Let's see that aftermarket. I'm on that Yahoo. TTD stock. 142. Just a straight 142, guys. That RSI is that RSI is still close to being overbought. We are at 63. You see how high that MACD is, boys? We have lots of room to fall here. We have lots of room. I would be happily shift over if my Bible put goes well, and this is a real recession. Switch over to TTD or WWE. If 86 breaks, your next opportunity is 8150. If 8150 drop, you got $70. Guys, what's that? What was that aftermarket price for WWE? 8757. Not a lot of selling in the aftermarket on this one, but I will find all the lopsided charts and snipe them heavily. TND. I'm gonna go along on this one, on this video. I'm sorry, guys, but we see some strong. Y'all see that volume? I know I'd be concerned if I was holding this. We have 10 million shares sold. 10 million. That is 3 times the regular volume on this stock. We have an the top ascending channel trend line break with strong vengeance. I mean, come on, guys. This could be a left shoulder. This could be a crazy pointy Patrick head, and then this could just be not even a whole shoulder. This might just be that elevator down. Do we have to touch a 50-day SMA? That would be $34. I don't see why not. We probably, that RSI, guys, sharp decline. You know it. Since the start of this run-up, the RSI has not been that low since February. Bulls, I would be fearful. I mean, yeah, definitely fearful, because you see how high these lines are? These lines are capable of being below. We up in euphoria right now. Still, we have room to fall. $34. We have TNEM possible short opportunity. Watch for the relief rally. Watch for people to quote unquote buy the dip. When you got those people buying the dip, they don't know what's going on. They haven't checked the news possibly, or they've fallen in love with their stocks. Not supposed to happen, guys. We're supposed to be emotionless. We are supposed to be emotionless. Man, I am just going through SQ. SQ, man. We got a lot of people in love with SQ. What will happen with SQ after market price? 86.01. From a high of 92, 93. Now we are at 86 flat, guys. We have broke through this somewhat support that I drew. We have room to fall to 77 or 78. We have that RSI still close to overbought. We have it at 58. Still have this MACD extremely high up. Why? Why would we not fall? What is stopping this from falling to at least 78? The 50 SMA is 76. Bulls. Whew. Do you have your stop losses ready? It could get rough. Trump really did it with this one. He might be shorting with me, and this is the first time me and him are on good terms. But thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all learned something. Maybe this is an overreaction. Maybe tomorrow is not that bad. But again, be careful. Your money can get lost without the proper care. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning and update y'all on the pre-market prices.